G in the Garden of Wonders. This garden is beautiful. Let's find as many G words as we can.
G for grass. It's so soft and green, perfect for playtime.
G for grapes. They're so juicy and sweet, my favorite snack. G for golden flowers. They're so bright, cheerful and smell just like sunshine. G is for gooseberries. They're so tiny. G for green leaves. They come in so many shapes and sizes, perfect for shade on a sunny day, and they are like nature's fans.
G for gloves, perfect for planting flowers or pulling.
And G for the gate. It's the way out of this magical garden.
G for grasshopper. Look how tiny and fast. It's like a little jumper. Wish I could hop like that.
Today was so much fun. We found grass, grapes, gooseberries, golden flowers, green leaves, gloves, gate, and grasshopper. Let's learn how to draw the letter G. A round up, pull back and a cross in. Congratulations! We learned how to draw the letter G. Now let's go!
Now we have learned G. Let's learn H in the next part. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel.